Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a fantastic WhatsApp feature that enhances your privacy. How to send a view once voice message. This feature ensures your voice messages can only be played once before disappearing forever. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you've updated to the latest version to access this feature. Once inside, select the chat where you want to send the view once voice message. This could be an individual or group chat. Next, locate the microphone icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap and swipe up on the microphone icon to lock it in place, enabling hands-free recording. Now begin recording your voice message as you normally would. While recording, you'll notice a small one icon circled with a dotted line above the send button. This is the view once icon. Tap on it to activate the view once mode for your voice message. You'll know it's active when the icon turns green. Once you've finished recording and activated the view once feature, tap the send button. Your voice message will now be sent with this added layer of privacy. When the recipient opens your message, they can listen to it just once. After that, it will disappear from their chat, leaving no trace behind. This is perfect for sharing sensitive information or simply ensuring your message remains private. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can take full advantage of WhatsApp's view once voice message feature and keep your conversations secure and confidential. Don't forget to explore more WhatsApp tips and tricks to make the most out of your messaging experience.